Today we will be reviewing the YKL World Pyramid Rubik's, or Pyraminx. Comes in this box here. Has some decorations like this Illuminati eye. And in case you were... It also comes with these instructions, but I'm not going to be using them. And it doesn't come scrambled. I did that on my own. But I'm going to solve it now. Now, you can hear a lot of clicking, and it's because there are actually magnets in it, keeping it secure.
Mommy, where's the flashlight? Where's the flashlight go? Found it.
And this is the finished product. You can see 4 sides, red, blue, green, and yellow. And you can test your intelligence, see if you can solve it. These top pieces move too, but you may notice it really doesn't matter if they can. And yeah, that is the YK World Rubik's Pyramid, or Pyraminx.